Yeah, good day everyone. This is the voice of Mr. Fajimi of Young Bravo Legacy. Now, today we are doing the weekly breakdown. This is the gold, ZSAUUSD. This is gold, and I'm going to be doing gold and Gbpjpy. So this is gold now. Now, looking at the daily time frame, now let's go to the weekly time frame. Let's just see if we can have any insight on the weekly time frame. Now, look at the weekly time frame. We are in a downtrend on the weekly time frame on gold. Yes, this is very glaring. We are in a downtrend presently right now. So we have an area of interest here. This was an area that was previously support. Now it was broken, and now probably price is testing as resistance. We don't know yet because this is the weekly. So let's take that insight to the daily time frame and see, do we have anything representing that information on the so let's go to the daily. So this is the daily time frame, and what do we have here? Okay, let me try and adjust my zones that I drew from the higher time frame. Yeah, because so you can see this looks more like a fake breakout. This look more like a fake breakout. Let me just indicate that. Yeah, it looks more like a fake breakout, you know. So this looks like a fake breakout. So, you know, this is the daily time frame, so the information might not be presented enough, but let's take a big view and look at how the candles are forming on the daily. Yes, automatically we can see, okay, when you look at this daily, you can see, yeah, it's a very good one. This might not be a fake breakout now, because when you're looking at the day, you can see we can say the support is right here. So and price is still respecting that support. So there's either two things that can happen. Is either price reject this support and start going up, and probably we are going to just get up to this area here, to this resistance here, or to this area here, depending. You understand? So, or we can break below here, but for us to break below here, we need a candle to close solidly below this area. Yes, a candle to close solidly below this before we can probably be looking for sell, because when you look at this, we have like some kind of liquidity area here that price is reacting. So for me to take sales, I will be looking for sales below this area, 157, yeah, 1757, below 1757. I'm looking for sell for price to probably come here. But looking at what we have here, price rejected this area twice. So this is like price rejecting this area twice. I've seen this happen a lot. So price might just break out from this area, create a retest, and start going up. Yeah, for price continue going up. Yes, that's the bias there. Yes, I think looking at this is looking more like a buy now. Okay, now when we come to this 4 hours time frame, yeah, we're having a lot of information here on the 4 hours. Yes, we have a support zone here. We have a support zone. You can see how long price has respected that support for a while now. Price has been for days now or weeks now. Price has been setting that main support. Then we have some kind of resistance here. We have resistance here. So we have resistance. Let me delete this. We have resistance here. So and you can see price is rejecting this area. So we can take buys above this area here for price to get up to this resistance here based on the 4 hours. Let's go to the 1 hour. Yes, I think the buys will be more preferable looking at this, but preferably does not mean anything. We have to just react to what price is saying. So looking at this 1 hour price, you can take buys above here. Yes, and hope for price. Yes, you can take price. You can take buys. Once price break above here, we can start looking for buys. Why sells? Yes, you can look for sells below this area. So we have, this is a range now. This is a range, and we don't trade inside a range. So this is a range. This is consolidation or a range, anyone you call it, or consolidation. So anyone you call it. So this is a range of consolidation. So we have that here. So we look for buys above this area. Yes, looking at the 1 hour, yes, looking at the 1 hour, sales might be good below this area as well. Yes, for price to fill this week. Yes. Okay, so let me put that in words, like let me put something down here that will make all these things looks good. Okay, so we have this here. So yeah, let me put this there. I think this is a good target on the what's it called, for the 1 hour time frame for scalpers like me. Yeah, this is a good time. So we have buys above this area. So we have buys above here. Buys above 1775.100. So buys above that area, then sells below here. Sells below here. 1766.00. Sells below 176. Yeah, so I think this is what I'm looking forward to see on gold. You know, I'm now trading gold as well. Yeah, I think I'm falling in love with gold because last month Gbpjpy was not really giving me what I really want. Gold was the one that was giving me that source. So I think this is what I'm probably looking forward to see on gold on the first, in the beginning of this week. Yeah, by Monday tomorrow, we'll see how markets play before the London session tomorrow, and probably the New York session, for us to take some good and lovely trade on gold. So now let me do my boy. Yeah, DJ. Let's look at DJ. So let's look at DJ. So this is GJ, okay. Gbpjpy. Wow. Let's remove our drawing. Now let's go to the weekly time frame. Now last week Gbpjpy did a lot of mess. It was so crazy. I was not really able to check us. I was looking at the weekly time frame. Now let's look at the weekly overview. Okay, let me load this game. I'm preparing to play game, so I'm trying to set the game before I finish the analysis so that I can just. Okay, this is Gbpjpy, guys. So what do? We have okay, you can see price rejected a very strong resistance here. Yeah. Below here we also have a very strong support here. Yeah, let's just see on the weekly we are consolidating right now. So let's look at the candles on the weekly. What do we have based on candles here? You can see this candle created a support. Now on this here there is a probability for the next one to start going up here. You understand? We don't know yet, but let's see. So let's go to the daily time frame. Let's go to the daily. Yeah, okay. Now when you're looking at daily, what do we probably have? Okay, let me just make it broad. Okay, now we had an area here earlier. This was like a resistance area. Price closed below that resistance. So when you are looking to the left, there's a probability for price. Looking at this, there's a probability for price to come to this level. Yes, looking at this daily, because we close below this area, there's a probability for the next one to just go up a little bit and then come down to this level, to around 49,400 level. Now yes, there's a probability for that to happen based on this daily time frame. And you can see we have clean candles to the left, we have clean daily candles to the left. So there's a probability for us to get another clean daily candles to probably retest this support area here. Okay, that being said, let's go to the 4 hours. Yes, now looking at the 4 hours, let's take a look now. Okay, this was the area where price created support earlier. Okay, now looking at 4 hours, we are closing below this zone. There's a probability that price might come to this area. There's high probability. Yes, there's high probability for price. Yeah, I'm even saying that price will probably come to this area. Yes, probably sell to 150 to 150 200. Yes, so yes, looking at wow, looking at that. Yeah, this looks good. This looks good for sell. Yes, this look good. Gbpjpy looks good for sell to 150.00. Yes, I think I'll be looking forward to that, and I'll probably take a swing trade based on that. So we have So we have price broke out, going back here to retest. Then we need a support, a resistance to be formed here with a red candle confirmation. Then we can probably look for sales all the way to this area. Yeah, this looks good on GBJPY for sales right now to 150, 100. Yes. Let me see if I'm about to take that. Yes, because I'm interested in this trade. I've been looking for that sell for a while. Since throughout last week, I was not able to really trade on GJ because I was hoping we'll have that sell. Yeah, so yeah, let's see. Yeah, this will be a very good trade for me. I'll probably be looking out for this trade, guys. I'll be looking out for this trade. Yeah, GBJPY, there's high probability we are going to sell and come to 150. Yes, there's very high probability based on what we are seeing on the screen right now. There's very high probability on GJ. Yes, but we need a red candle to be sure the bears are taking through, and be ready to take sales below this area. Take sales below here, below 150,800. Yes, to be safe, take sales below 150,800. Yes, that will be a very good one. 150,800. Yes. So this is like a one. Yes, this will be a very good sale. 150,800 for price to come here, and we cannot say I might just try all the way and get here. We don't know, but looking at what we have here, there's high probability for price to come to this area. This is what I'll be looking forward to see this week on GJ, and I hope we get that on GJ. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for supporting YBL. Thank you so much. So we see you on the stream 11:30 every day. Catch you tomorrow, guys. I'm waiting. It's going to be a lovely week. Last week GJ was messy. I believe we are going to have some kind of crazy movement to the downside this week. So let's see what is going to happen. Yeah, I love you and I know you love me.